ReviewRight, winner of multiple awards, is your most successful path to better document review assignments, an improved lifestyle, and increased income. Registering at ReviewRight.com only requires 45 minutes of your time. Why should you devote the time to register and become a highly rated remote reviewer? We've got 3 reasons. 1. Our gold team of reviewers can work from home on nationwide assignments, eliminating commuting time and expenses. Working remotely at home also allows you to manage multiple reviews at a time. This unique approach has been enthusiastically supported by our clients, who benefit from remote reviews by our top-tier reviewers. 2. You can control your schedule and set your own review hours. Reviewing for ReviewRight opens your week up to greater personal freedom, increases quality family time, and even allows you to operate your own local legal practice, since you can have time to go to local court during court hours. Remote reviewing also affords you the flexibility to stack up review projects for increased monthly income. 3. Improve your case development expertise. Since our gold team of qualified remote review attorneys often provide a final level of review that exceeds our clients' expectations, our gold teams are treated almost like staff attorneys or associates. If you have the unique review skill set that separates you from traditional law firm attorneys, you should register with us today. Taking the online test is the first and most important part of the process to become qualified as a ReviewRight attorney. Once you are enrolled, you will need to fully complete your profile, including all past projects you recall, and related review experience to market your credentials to our clients. The combined profiles of our review attorneys, along with past experiences with remote review, is what brings ReviewRight top clients and projects. Once you're registered, check your email and text messages daily for review opportunities and respond promptly, as we only recruit electronically and usually fill assignments in less than 1 day. If you are fluent in a foreign language or live near one of our on-site review centers or client locations, we will work with you even if the test results do not meet our stringent Gold Team standards. Taking the test may also lead to review assignments, since we reward those that have taken the step to be tested. So good luck taking the test, and hopefully it will be the first step in conducting document review from the comfort of your home, increasing your income, and giving you control of your work schedule.